right, so here is our stretch sequence that we've talked about here in class. It's called 3D maps, and the thought process behind it is it takes our hips and our spine through every motion and position possible. So if I take a step forward, my left hip goes through extension. If I step back, it goes into flexion. If I take it to the right, it goes through abduction. If I take it to the left, it goes through adduction. If I take my right foot around, my left hip goes through external rotation, and then I have internal rotation. So what we do is we go through each movement 10 times, or you can self-select depending on what you need. So I'll mirror it for the sake of you guys, where if I take my right foot forward, it's going to be your left forward if you're looking at this. So we'll start with our left foot going forward, arms swinging up and back. You do that motion 10 times. It may be a small step, it may be a big step, it's whatever you need. So you do 10 with your left foot, and then you do 10 with your right foot, trying to reach as high and as far as you can. After I do my 10 there, if I've stepped forward, now I need to step backwards. So I'm going to take my left foot, step it back, take both my hands, go outside of the legs, reach down towards that back ankle, and then back up. What you'll notice is that the first one works more the front of the body. This one you'll feel more on the back of the body, probably more of the hamstring. So after I do my few on the right, I do my few on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that takes care of front to back. Now you're going to take your left foot, move it to the left, have your arms overhead and to the right. So as I step, my whole body is moving. What you should see is a nice C shape going from the inner right leg all the way up through the body. So I do my 10 that way. We then switch. Your right foot goes to the right. Hands go to the left. My 10 there. Then I'm going to take my right foot, take my left foot, cross it over my right, hands up and to the left. Now the curve is going along the outside of my body, and then I switch, go this way, do my 10 there. And then finally, I'm going to have my right foot down, my left foot's going to rotate. For you guys, it'll be 7 o'clock, so if my right foot's at noon, my left foot's going to be at 7 o'clock. I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to rotate them around as far as I can, trying to keep that front foot planted. After I do my 10 there, I'm going to switch this is going to be my left foot, rotate, it's going to be to 5 o'clock now, going this way, do my 10 there. Then finally, I'm going to be on my left leg. If my left leg is staying put, I'm going backwards. If my right leg is staying put, my left leg is turning. It's going to go to 3 o'clock on the clock. I do my swings there, 10, and then opposite. My foot's going to 9 o'clock now. My 10 swings there. So just quickly putting it all together. Forward, backwards, sideways, rotationally, and finally last rotation there and there. There you go.